this will be indicating the next big Bitcoin move, and I can already tell you it is not looking good. So guys, we need to have a quick updated look into what's the Bitcoin charts right now, because the funding rates are still positive. There are a huge amount of bit walls being built underneath us. So is this possibly a very bullish thing, or are we still headed towards the downside even further? Because yeah, we broke down below our parabolic trend. Well, make sure to press up that like button. Let's see if we can once again smash it up above the 50 likes. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And on this chart, we can actually see multiple things already. First things first, yes, we are creating that beautiful consolidation range, which we were exactly hoping for back right here. Most of the times, after such kind of a huge move, yes, you do tend to consolidate for a while and create another consolidation pattern before headed in towards that next move. Now, another thing that I can be spotting in this chart is that, of course, we are trading in a downtrend. Now, this is not very hard to see, but another thing is that if we draw this horizontal support level, well, each and every single bounce from this level is getting weaker and weaker. So yeah, this support level is getting weakened. Clearly, at the same time, we are trading in a downtrend, and this is a continuation pattern. And also at the same time, we are also having that CME gap very close underneath us. Funding rates are still in a positive, and that actually means that the majority of the market is right now longing the Bitcoin market. Usually the market will liquidate the majority, so these long positions will very likely get liquidated. And yes, I know I've been saying back right here that I do not think this CME gap is going to get filled immediately. And right after the creation of this CME gap back here, well, we still pumped with about a 11 or 12% towards the upside before really getting that correction back towards the downside. And this exactly came true. Look, these larger CME gaps often do not get filled immediately. First, we still have a little bit more upside momentum before actually filling that CME gap. And right now we are getting very close. The charts, in my opinion, are looking quite bearish. So I do think we are going to be filling this CME gap underneath us. But one thing to do keep in mind is that we can still break this bullish. If we are going to be breaking back above this previous resistance, previous support right here, we broke above it right there, saw this huge pump right here, it was resistance. Well, if we can be breaking above this level, if we can be seeing a breakout towards the upside out of this symmetrical triangle, then definitely the charts are looking quite bullish, and I expect that we are going to be filling our upper CME gap. Now guys, if you are as well going to be interested in trading Bitcoin, we have literally been on point with all of our predictions right here in the past. Well, you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade by clicking that link in the description. You can right now claim this free airdrop position on Bybit. So make sure to go ahead, what's that link in the description, and claim your free trade. So yeah, in my opinion, this dump does not look over yet, except for when we are going to be breaking this one towards the upside. Then we can be expecting a little bit higher prices, but in my opinion that will be pretty unlikely because these funding rates are very positive still. Now in the longer term, of course, as everyone already knows, I am still very bullish. I am literally one of the biggest bulls in the longer term. It is just that I flipped bearish exactly at this top right here, and right now I still do think we have a little bit more bearish continuation before really headed towards the upside again. Also, another thing is that yesterday I created this video where I was actually saying that I sold almost all of my Bitcoin, and this is actually not entirely true. Look, I sold some of my Bitcoin for more altcoins, and these altcoins are going to be yielding me more than Bitcoin. So then in the end of the day, my end goal will be to accumulate even more Bitcoin. That will be my end goal. I will just be accumulating more and more altcoins during this period whenever we are going to be topping out right here. In my opinion, it is going to be a very good time to be buying altcoins with your Bitcoin. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear. And guys, this video was a little bit of a shorter update video, but there is not a lot to discuss right now in the market. So make sure to check out that free trade down below in the description. Make sure to follow me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.